Alright guys, real quick again, this is light off, this is light on. So yeah, this is an auxiliary fuel tank is the best thing I could call it. And Motion Pro makes one of these that's a little bit bigger. I've wanted one for years, but they were on back order. I think they're like 40 bucks. This one was on Amazon, and the Motion Pro one I think is more of like a flexible bag style, where this is kind of just like a small, almost like a quick to mix cup. And I'll tell you what I love about these. Like, I'm rebuilding the carburetor on the CRF 230F. Hopefully gonna have that finished up for Krista in the next few days. It's been a long time coming, and basically I want to know if it's gonna leak. That's the reason I'm rebuilding it, because it was leaking. I want to know if it's going to leak before I go to the trouble to put it all back on the bike. I don't even know where the fuel tank for that bike is sitting. And this just makes life so easy, because if you're working on a bike, you can strap this thing to the handlebars or wherever you want and connect it straight to your carburetor, and boom, do all your work. And you don't have to set a big tank down in your way. You can test fire up the bike. You know, sometimes I'll hang this somewhere like this and just let it sit here, and I can test fire it without having to put that big bulky tank back on there and move it around and put gas in that thing that may set in it forever. Another thing I like is where it's clear and it's got the measurements on it. You can hook it up to the carb and literally sit here and watch the fuel. You know, you can verify that fuel is entering the carb, and then you can look at the carb and verify that it's not leaking. So it's just super cool, guys. I will put a link down below to this thing. I want to say it was like 20 bucks or 25 bucks, but it has made life so much easier for me. I really like it. So just a little tech tip there, one of my around the shop tools, want to fill you guys in with. You never know how handy these things are until you need them. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.